Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we are going to work on sandwich.
Focusing very much in technique, of course, as always, but also how to exit. That a lot of people seem to have problem about that.
Before going to the video, please remember to subscribe if you didn't, share with your friends, and like if you are enjoying it.
Now, let's get to work. All right, first of all, we're going to start showing you the figure that we are going to be working on. Side step, stop to sandwich, parada lifting, and side to resolve the figure. Zam, pam, pam, pam.
Muy bien, what are we doing here and all the technique you need to know?
Yes, so what are we doing here? First, a few tips for the leaders that we are doing this. Backward ocho first, side step and backward ocho. Now, we stop her. First thing is not pushing her with your left. You know that, we see it in all our videos. So now, we're going to proceed to do the sandwich. Did you notice that the sandwich, this is the first tip. Sandwich on the front part of your foot, not completely. Yes? Please, yeah, she will suffer. Now, one second tip for the leader, stepping back. We're going to pull in order to rotate her, and pay attention very much to my front foot. I will pull and I will open, even slide out my foot. Lifting. And from here, this is how we are going to exit. Into a front ocho, we're going to do a side step. Side step. Feet together. You can do a little circle, leaders. And side to feet together and walk into a resolution. So basically, it is important for the leaders that we are going to, the way to exit is lifting her. We are almost sharing the axis at that moment. And then we accommodate during her front ocho. I will accommodate the position in order to have a nice exit.
Okay, let me give the followers some tips. Side step. I feel the lead for the ocho, and I feel the lead for the stop. My body weight is on the left leg. I'm not going to transfer weight to the right if I don't have the lead, if I don't have a reason. I have no reason because his torso is far from me, nothing here, so I don't have to go to the seat. When he moves, then I can change to my back leg. Now, I don't have reason also to bend my back leg and sit. I'm perfectly positioned or distant from the leader that I don't need to go farther back and create extra position. So I'll be here on my back leg center, waiting for him to move. When he moves forward, then I move forward again. Sorry, when he moves back, I move forward again. When he leads, I will go up on my left leg heel. So I go on my toes to pivot. Toes to pivot. So I can go to the feet together. Very important to have heels together, toes open. Be careful, don't do reverse. Toes together, heels, bad position. So we go heels together, toes open, waiting for him to lift, to cross, and waiting for him to walk front and go into resolution or next figure. So there's many moments where we are in contact and we are talking here without words. We are following each other because he's moving with me. He's leading and at the same time he's moving with me. So followers don't rush.
So now let's try to follow us with this figure. We are doing side step, backward ocho one, stop, transfer her weight with sandwich, move back, leaders pull, parada, up, we both take a side step. I mean, she does front, I will take a side, sorry. Close embrace, side step during her front ocho, and a normal resolution.
Okay, let's try one more time.
Sure.
Let's see from this angle, side to back, position the leg, we move together, weight, pulling, front to re-embrace and resolution.
Thank you very much for your support, and we really appreciate if you are giving a like to this video. That will be helping us a lot to keep growing our channel.
We love being your tango teachers and see you on the next video.
Thank you so much. Bye.